Hello everyone, welcome to Engineer's Palette. I hope you all will be doing well. So today we'll be studying another 3D command, which is extrude cut. Okay, let's first create center rectangle, extrude it. Because for extrude cut you will need some 3D body. I want it 50. Yeah, here it is. So there's your 3D body. Now I want to extrude cut this one. What will I do? I will just right click on this and sketch. Now if your sketch is not like, if your sketch is this is like this and you want to make it perpendicular to the screen, just make it like this. Okay, normal to the screen. And now I want another rectangle here like this. Okay, so this is my rectangle. Now go to feature. In feature tab, here is your extruded cut command. So I have these options that in extrude cut, for example, blind cut. In blind cut I can give it 10, value of 10. Here is my preview that that this much amount of material will be removed, like it's 15. So here, okay, now you can see it. Okay, you can check it. This amount of material is removed from here. Now edit feature again. Okay, there is another option which is flip side to cut. If you click flip side to cut, it means that it will keep this area, the area which is like the rectangular area, and will remove everything around this rectangle like this. It has removed everything. Now again, flip side to cut means that it will cut internally in the rectangular area. Okay, you can use a draft command here as well. Draft inward or draft outward, like this. It is drafting inward. Let me first edit the sketch. Edit sketch. Now just make it a bit bigger, for example 40 here and 40 from here. Okay, exit sketch, and now here is you can see the draft. Okay, again, if you draft outward, it will create a cavity like this. You can check it. It is now draft outward. I hope you would understand the draft command, that how it works actually. Now just uncheck it. Direction 2, there's no need of direction 2 because I don't have any material there. And contour command works same as in the previous. Okay, there is another option, through all. Through all means that it will cut anything that come in its way. Okay, through all, it will make a through hole here. And another option is through all both side. If you created a sketch and you have material above it, it will remove everything in both directions. Okay, now up to next means that if you have two bodies, for example, if I have another body here and or I'm removing some features that it will remove, like it is a complete single body. If I create another body here, so it will remove everything till that body, when till the body or till the feature that I select. Okay, now up to the vertex, for example, I want to cut it up to here, up to this vertex, up to some vertex. You need to create to select some vertex. Another thing is up to surface. For example, I want to select this surface, so it will cut to this surface. Okay, offset from surface. Okay, I want to make it offset from this surface, but there is not no other surface there that should be. Okay, like 15 is already selected, so it means that if I want this hole, that material should be removed 20 millimeters above this surface, till above this surface, then I will need to choose this one, offset from the surface, and 20 millimeter from it. Reverse the offset, so this will happen like 20 millimeters from here. Okay, now again up to the body, you need to select another body, but there is just only one thing, like this body. There is a complete 3D body, so if I select this, so till this body it will cut everything. Okay, then the mid plane is same as above, through all, I think. Okay, so this was all about extrude cut command. I hope you like it. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.